Hey guys, welcome to Jigyasa of Science. Today we are going to discuss 25 objective type questions and answers for the subject switch gear and protection. These questions are very important for SSC JEE, UPPCL JEE, RBUNL JEE, BMC JEE, MSc DCL JEE, etc. examination. So without skipping, watch the video till the end. And before starting, those who are new, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Starting from the first question. 1. The main function of a fuse is to, options are A. Protect the line, B. Open the circuit, C. Prevent excessive current, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is prevent excessive current. So the next question. On which of the following routine tests are conducted? A. Oil circuit breakers, B. Air blast circuit breakers, C. Minimum oil circuit breakers, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. So the next question. SFC gas A is yellow in color, B lighter than air, C is non-toxic, D has pungent smell. And the correct answer is non-toxic. So the next question. The earthing contact in a circuit breaker are made of A. Copper tungsten alloy, B. Porcelain, C. Electrolytic copper, D. Aluminum alloy. And the correct answer is copper tungsten alloy. So the next question. Which of the following medium is employed for the extinction of arc in a air circuit breaker? Option A. Water, B. Oil, C. Air, D. SF6. And the correct answer is air. So the next question. A protective device which reduces the steepness of waveform of a surge by absorbing source energy is called A. Surge diverters, B. Surge absorber, C. Switching surges, D. earthing screen. And the correct answer is surge absorber. So the next question. A thermal protection which can protect against A. Short circuit, B. Temperature, C. Overload, D. Overvoltage. The correct answer is overload. So the next question. Arc in a circuit behaves as A. Capacitive reactance, B. An inductive reactance, C. A resistance increasing with voltage rise across the arc, D. A resistance decreasing with voltage rise across the arc. And the correct answer is a resistance increasing with voltage rise across the arc. So the next question. The thermal circuit breaker has A. Delayed trip action, B. Instantaneous trip action, C. Instantaneous short action, D. Any of the above. And the correct answer is delayed trip action. So the next question. Relays can be designed to respond to changes in A. Resistance, reactance or impedance, B. Voltage and current, C. Temperature, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Next question. Overload relays are of DAIS type. Option A. Solid state, B. Thermal, C. Electromagnetic, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. So the next question. Thermal overload relays are used to protect the motor against overcurrent due to A. Short circuits, B. Heavy loads, C. Grounds, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is heavy loads. Next question. The magnetic circuit breaker has DAIS trip action. A. Delay, B. Instantaneous, C. Short, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is instantaneous. Next question. DC shunt relays are made of A. Few turns of thin wire, B. Few turns of thick wire, C. Many turns of thin wire, D. Many turns of thick wire. And the correct answer is many turns of thin wire. So the next question. The function of a circuit breaker is A. To safeguard the circuit, B. On or off the circuit, C. To save human life, D. None of these. And the correct answer is to safeguard the circuit. Next question. When a transmission line is energized, the wave that propagates on it is A. Current wave only, B. Voltage wave only, C. Both A and B, D. Power factor wave only. And the correct answer is both A and B, current wave only and voltage wave only. So the next question. Circuit breakers are essentially option A. Current carrying contacts called electrodes, B. Arc extinguishers, C. Circuits to break the system, D. Transformer to isolate two systems. And the correct answer is current carrying contacts called electrodes. So the next question. The current zero interruption in oil and air blast circuit breakers is achieved by A. Lengthening of the gap, B. Cooling and blast effect, C. Both A and B, D. Deionizing oil with forced air. And the correct answer is both A and B. So the next question. Air blast circuit breaker is used for A. Overcurrent, B. Short duty, C. Intermittent duty, D. Repeated duty. And the correct answer is repeated duty. Next question. An efficient and well-designed protective relay you should have A. Good selectivity and reliability, B. Economy and simplicity, C. High speed and selectivity, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Next question. The burden of a protective relay is the power A. Required to operate the circuit breaker, B. Absorbed by the circuit of relay, B. Developed by the relay circuit, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is absorbed by the circuit of relay. So the next question. Directional relays are based on the flow of A. Power, B. Current, C. Voltage wave, D. None of the above. The correct answer is power. Next question. A differential relay measures the vector difference between A. Two current, B. Two voltage, C. Two similar quantities, D. Any of the above. And the correct answer is any of the above. Next question. A transmission line is protected by A. Time graded and current graded overcurrent protection, B. Distance protection, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The correct answer is both A and B. Time graded and current graded overcurrent protection and distance protection. So the next question. Large internal faults are protected by A. Mars price percentage differential protection, B. Moe and Ohm relays, C. Horn gaps and temperature relays, D. Earth fault and positive sequence relays. And the correct answer is Mars price percentage differential protection. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Share the video with your friends. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. See you till the next time. Jai Hind. Bye.